Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do get ready with me look, whatever. It's supposed to be like a simple look for dry skin, less powder and stuff like that, but it's supposed to be super simple. So this is the look, please like and subscribe. I'll have my information down below, and also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and yeah. Okay.
Looking a little bit crusty, but okay.
Hi guys, so right now I'm wearing my primer, my Maybelline primer. Yep, back again. Just make sure that it's sink in, and I'm about to move on to my foundation. I'm wearing the IMAN Earth 4 foundation. That's my shade. Um, I really like this foundations and stuff. It's kind of like a quick foundation. Um, you know, it's easier to apply. Just put it all over your face and just take the sponge and just um, spread it around your face like a normal freaking foundation. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
This is light to medium coverage.
The thing about this foundation is very light coverage, so you can actually build up to a medium coverage. So that's a good thing. Right now, I'm filling my eyebrows. I have this brown, dark brown pencil that I usually use. Sometimes I use like powder or gel or whatever, but today I just use pencil just to fill it in because I'm trying to do a really simple look. Um, and then I have this eyebrows gel thing that I use, and I just like put it on it, and yep. So I'm using a concealer. I use the shade TOFEE or TOFEE, one of them. So I'll just put it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and I also use it to like shape my brows to make my brows look a little bit pop and stuff. So yeah. Then after, I'm just gonna blend everything together and stuff. I use a smaller blush. Summer. I use a smaller brush to just blend the my eyebrows first. Then I'll go with my beauty blender just to blend my under eyes concealer and like my chin and my forehead. Just because they're a bigger area and stuff, and that brush is like way too small. I'm not going to use powder and stuff just because I'm extremely dry, so I'm trying to do this look to see how it's gonna turn out without powder. That's the reason why I use that foundation. I didn't use liquid because the liquid will make me feel like a little bit greasy and stuff, so I stick to that. So I'm not gonna apply powder, but if you want, you can apply like a powder all over your face. Trying to see if you can get a powder that's kind of like match your skin tone instead of like um a setting powder for like a concealer and stuff like that, just so you won't look cakey. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer shade Mahogany. Uh, this is not really darker enough for me, but I'm still trying to get one that's like, I don't know, cause again on camera it looks like it's just the same shade as my skin tone, but in actual person in real life it's actually like a little bit darker and stuff. Um, but that's it. It's probably like one shade and a half darker than my skin tone. It's not super dark to a point where my contour is not like super sharp. But it works. After I go in with oh yeah, my which one I use? I use this powder that I had just to like um just set it and stuff. I don't use powder underneath my eyes. I just use a darker powder because I just feel like I just need to bring some color back in my face. But I'm going back to my highlighter. That's my favorite one. I use this for like, I don't even know. I use this a lot. But that's the Vivid Bic highlighter Makeup Revolution. Um, this one it has like a tinted like orangey effect. So that's the reason why I like it because it's kind of like bringing color back to your face. Um, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna just go with a brush and just blend everything in. Just making sure there's no harsh line. Everything just all blend all together, you know. Yep. So after that, I'm going to line my lip with just this dark brown color that lip liner that I have. That's my favorite one. I think it's a Jordana brown lip liner. Then I go with Milani Attraction. It's like a burgundy color. This is a matte lipstick, so I go in with like a chapstick just so my lips could feel like not super dry because I don't like feeling super dry. And then yeah, that's basically it. Just line my lips just a little bit more, just so it could be more blunt, I guess. Yeah, spray my face with the matte finish, NYX matte finish. Um, what am I doing? Oh yeah, I think I'm about to put some mascara on. So this is the mascara that I'm using. I even forgot the name of the mascara. Um, but usually I use a Maybelline, but this one it looks like a different mascara that I'm using here. But no falsy because it's so very simple look and stuff. And that's it. So I'm about to fix my hair. I already have my clothes on and stuff because I'm about to go out. And yeah. So this is a crochet hair that I did. It's like a wet and wavy type of hair. Um, I'm not really sure the name of the brand. I feel like it's probably Janet, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Um, and I'll be doing more videos and stuff. Hopefully I get to do 2 or 3 videos a week. But thank you guys for supporting me and have a blessed day. Bye.